Assalamualaikum guys, it's me your girl Sohana, and today I'm gonna teach you that how to transfer a simple cooling fan box to a cute, beautiful and unique gift box. So let's get started. So first and only, I will cut a paper like this according to the box size. Then I will apply some glue around the box side by side. Then I will adjust the glued box with the cutted paper like this.
Bitti derken her şey elden gitti derken sabrettim ben. Tam o anda ummadığında bir güneş parlar bazen. Bitti derken her şey elden gitti derken sabrettim ben. Tam o anda ummadığında bir güneş parlar bazen. Hayat şaşırtır hep zaten. Ben gittim ben giderken hiç umudum kalmamışken bir güneş parlar bazen. Hayat şaşırtır hep zaten.
After adjusting the paper, again I will adjust another paper to the same side for the double layer. And the next step, after glue 2 layers of paper from the first side, I will glue a paper from the second side of the box. For the final finishing, I will add some glue from the box side by side without applying middle of the box. Then I will adjust the paper with the glue applied box. After that, I will cut the paper according to the heart shape. After that, I will mix some Fevicol glue with the pink color acrylic. Then I will apply the Fevicol mixed pink color acrylic to the heart shape paper. After painting the heart shape paper, I will apply some raspberry color glitter. After that, I will glue the glided heart shape in the middle of the gift box. And the next step, I will apply some Fevicol around the heart shape. Then I will apply some silver color glitter around the heart shape. For the back side of the box, I will apply some Fevicol mixed pink color acrylic and adding many type of color glitter. And this is the final look of the back side of the box. After that step, I will add 2 cute stickers around the heart shape side by side. Next step, I will make a cute flower by blue and golden color glitter.
Hiç umudum kalmamışken bir güneş parlar bazen. Hayat şaşırtır hep zaten. Ben gittim ben giderken hiç umudum kalmamışken bir güneş parlar bazen. Hayat şaşırtır hep zaten. Ben gittim ben giderken
Then I will apply some sky blue color glitter with Fevicol with this rectangular shaped paper. Then adjusting it middle of the flower. After that, I will make a flower band with the blue color glitter, then glue them on top of the gift box. And guys, don't waste the glitter. So finally, my handmade DIY cute and easy gift box is ready. If you want more arts and crafts like this, so subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow to my Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. So take care, bye, Allah Hafiz.